mass-produced, lifeless, forgettable. But nature has a better story that begins in the forest
and ends in your kitchen. Les Surhoux.
handmade, soulful, timeless.
This is the art of hand-carved wooden spoons.
Pure craftsmanship.
Made for homes that value honesty.
Forest log. Beautiful spoon. Transformation worth watching.
Every spoon is carved by hand, preserving the natural beauty of the forest log. Our story starts deep in the woods.
Where every log has a purpose. Only deadfall, never cutting live trees.
Quality begins with selection.
Strong, straight, solid.
Preparing raw materials.
Harvesting. With respect.
Nature gives generously. Each ring tells a story.
Let's start creating.
Journey begins. Craftsmanship requires discipline.
Ready for transformation.
Studying possibilities.
Look, it says, a spoon hidden inside.
Reducing to workable pieces.
Selecting the strongest half. Perfect for a large cooking spoon.
The design reveals itself.
Rough shaping begins.
Raw energy.
Defining the backbone.
Precision enters.
Thin shavings curl beautifully. The wood responds.
Comfort comes from soft curves.
Now it looks like a spoon.
Symmetry is essential.
Removing small imperfections. Perfection in details.
Rotating the piece. 360-degree craftsmanship.
Balance is a function.
Spoon outline complete. Ready for hollowing.
Traditional Scandinavian method.
This part defines the spoon's heart.
Patience creates quality.
Shaping nearly done.
Smoothness test passed. Hollowing perfect concave curves.
Control and finesse.
Uniformity matters. Micro refinements.
How the handle edges are shaped.
It feels
Perfect.
That's the ergonomic design we aimed for.
Comfort for daily cooking.
A touch of artistry.
Better usability.
Mother Nature's signature.
Preparing for finish.
The spoon becomes silky.
Initial smoothing. Removing tool marks.
220 grit sanding. Softening curves. 400 grit finishing.
Glass-like smoothness.
Quality made visible.
Nothing quite like a night by the fire is there.
It really is perfect. Feels just like coming home.
Sure does.
Natural finish oil ready. Safe for food use.
Transformation glows.
Wood absorbs oil instantly. Rich, deep color appears.
Nature's artwork revealed.
Letting nature do the rest.
This right here, this is small batch craftsmanship. It takes patience.
They're beautiful. How long until they're ready?
A few more days drying, then we oil them.
Each piece is unique. Carver testing flexibility.
Strength check.
Testing durability.
Perfect silhouette.
Satisfaction earned.
The product is complete.
Product variety.
Measuring each spoon. Consistency for US market.
That is the mark of true craftsmanship. A premium touch.
And there it is.
Craft meets technology. The detail is perfect.
Quality check complete. The shipment is approved.
Sustainable choices.
A good knot for a lovely rustic aesthetic.
Hand carved.
US customers love authenticity.
Batch ready for shipping.
Earth-friendly commitment.
Shipping safe.
handcrafted in small batches, just right.
Reaching homes across America.
Nationwide audience.
First impression matters.
Tactile satisfaction.
It stands out. Performs beautifully.
Strength proven.
Practical and aesthetic.
Handmade tools.
Or create moments.
And art. Photogenic and marketable.
Look at this color. I am telling you guys, this one has viral potential.
Feels amazing in hand. User satisfaction.
Real craftsmanship. High-rated product niche.
Oh, you have to try this. I think it's the best batch yet.
Are you fishing for compliments again?
It looks wonderful.
Perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it really fits all styles. Culinary approval.
Elegance in function.
Something unique for you. This is awesome.
And this carving here took me about 3 days alone.
Wow, your dedication really shows. It's beautiful.
Practical for everyday use.
This truly embodies our commitment to eco-conscious design.
It's just remarkable.
It's remarkable. The craftsmanship is stunning.
Beautiful. It was a beautiful display.
A piece of art.
It all starts with the right timber. Then we shape the raw piece before focusing on the fine details by hand.
The first log shown again. It all began here.
Transformation complete. Complete.
A lifetime skill.
Experience you can trust.
Beauty in simplicity.
A quiet comfort.
So glad we did this. Made for real life. Elevating the dish. Every piece unique.
Now they're helping.
Don't be greedy.
Sharing moments.
Warm memories.
Day's work done.
Tomorrow brings new creations.
Quiet elegance.
Nature's perfection.
New beginning. Beginnings.
tradition lives.
Nature's fingerprint.
Gratitude.
Every curve tells a story. You have to feel the wood, let it guide you. It's all about the heart.
Choose Handmade.
This is nice, isn't it? Just the two of us. Yes.
I wish it could always be this quiet.
Me too.